Watch Southern actor Rana Daggubati talk about his upcoming film Bahubali here. The film is a Telugu-Tamil period drama and Rana, who has also been part of Bollywood films like Dam Marudam and Department, plays a warrior king in Bahubali. Watch him talk about the film and what all preparations he is undergoing for the film here.
I am shooting for a film called Bahubali, which is a two-part period war film, and that should be out summer next year. So yeah, that's
What
my.
is your character in that war film?
Well, it's a period war film, and I play a king and a warrior. So yeah, so it's.
King and a warrior,
Yes,
a very complicated combination. Which one do you prefer? The kingly, this thing?
Well, you have to get till the king. You have to obviously fight a bunch of wars, back in the day. Yeah.
उसके लिए क्या तैयारियां चल रही हैं?
Well, physically I look twice as bigger than what I used to be, and obviously it's very, very action intensive, and it's a film I'm sure all of you will have fun watching.
What is magical about this Magica?
I think it's about the last two rides that I've been to. Let me tell you, one is the Mr. India ride, which kind of throws you back in time about the film that you watched and kind of grew up on. Then there's a ride called Life for India, which I just came out of, which kind of reminds you back again how beautiful your country actually is. It's a ride that goes straight from the top of Kashmir to Kanyakumari and gives you a chopper view of the country. So I think that's a very, very beautiful ride again.
Giving a flag off to the parade.
Yes.
What was the feeling?
Well, actually, firstly, I've always wanted to come to Magica from the time they actually started it. And obviously, I live in Hyderabad, and things just didn't work. And then finally, Pooja called and said, "Are you free on the 10th?" I said yes, and I've just landed up in Magica. So I'm very glad that they actually called me.
जब हम छोटे होते हैं हमें कुछ राइड से डर लगता है तो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसी कोई राइड है जिससे डर लगे
No,
या ऊंचाई से डर लगता हो?
as a kid, I was very excited to go on rides, so I'm not scared at all. So
Now?
No, not at all. I really enjoy each part of it.
देखो आपने कहीं कहा था कि आपको मतलब एक्शन फिल्म में इंटरेस्ट है, रोमांटिक में नहीं, तो एक्चुअल क्या कारण
See,
है उसके पीछे?
so मैं कभी नहीं कहा. I never said anything like that. No, I'm just fond of doing films. That's all. So whatever it is.
तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा फैसिनेट करता है, रोमांटिक या एक्शन?
I think, see, from when I was a kid, I just kept watching so many films, all kinds of films. You kind of grow up and you just want to do everything. So yeah, that's probably me.
Dugu, how romantic are you at heart?
It's Daggu. It's Daggu
sorry.
Bhatt.
Dagu.
Yeah.
Dagu. Okay. How romantic?
Well, in my head, I think I am a lot, but it's again, you don't know what translates outside.
Anything coming up in Hindi?
Well, I'm shooting for Bahubali in 3 languages, so that's probably it for now.
Who is opposite to in that film?
It's there's Anushka and Tamanna in the film. So
Oh, so we should be prepared to see Anushka getting linked with.
it's why would it's a period war film, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you'll be fighting with her, you mean to say?
No, I wouldn't be fighting with her. It's actually 2 actors. It's me and another actor called Prabhas, who's there in the film. He's also a very famous Telugu actor. So it's both of us in the leads, and Anushka and Tamanna there as well.
अच्छा आपसे पूछना था, बहुत सारी साउथ इंडियन फिल्मों का रीमेक हो रहा है,
जी।
तो आप मतलब ये जो ट्रेंड है, मतलब ज्यादातर पहले हॉलीवुड का होता था, अभी साउथ की बहुत फिल्मों का रीमेक हो रहा है, तो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? मतलब आपके खुद की फिल्मों का भी रीमेक हो चुका है?
Yes, of course. Well, the thing is, obviously, if a film has worked in one land, there's no reason why it doesn't work in the other. So I think a great story can always be told many times.
Bollywood Country Report.